Okay, so we are going to finish sculpting this little face. It's covered with the DWE fabric, and this happens to be the Selah pattern, so it's already connected to the doll. I actually normally, this is my first Selah attempt, so normally the head's not attached when I go ahead and finish the sculpting on the face. But this one has the magnetic mouth. There's a magnet in there that's going to want to draw the needle and hold on to it, so that's kind of something extra to watch out for. Basically, I do 3 stitches across the mouth, and I like to do a nice deep dimple stitch on either side to give it a nice smile. So we're just going to go in under the upper lip, up the top of the head. I have this threaded with heavy duty upholstery thread, like so. And we're going to release the thread, rethread the other side, and go up again, taking a stitch in the center of the lip. And you can move these a little bit if it's not quite where it needs to be, but you have to be careful not to snag your fabric. Okay, so release that again, and then we pull the top threads like so and tie them in place. And if you get it right up in there nice and tight, usually you can't see the thread at all. So I have another thread on here, and I'm just going to follow that mouth line that I needle felted in. And you can start to see now, if I pull on all 4 threads, we're getting some definition there. Repeat on the other side. And with the weighted heads in particular, there is a core made of the glass weighting. So you might bend your needle pushing it through, as I have, but it will go through. The magnet keeps wanting to pull my needle. I think that looks pretty nice. We'll do a defining stitch down here, and we'll do a couple of lifting dimples on the corner. The lifting dimples are smaller. If they're too long of a stitch, they look kind of odd. So I do a small, almost vertical stitch to lift the corner of the mouth. Not sure what I did there.
Video and playing the game. No.
Okay, and that's going to give the corner some nice lift.
See the other side. My.
And I won't take the time to tie them all on the back of the head during this little video, but that's just how they're finished off. The first baby doll that I did with the magnetized and felted mouth was a 17-inch Nora, and I found that the small mouth on a smaller head for a 12-inch Selah doll was more difficult to hide the magnet in place and have it look natural. So I would not recommend starting with one a 12-inch size or smaller. I probably won't even try it with any smaller than the 12-inch size. I think it would be too difficult to have the magnet be part of the lip and have it look natural. But the 17-inch might be an easier start. But there he is. Isn't he cute? So these are just going to be pulled tightly and tied in place. And you can adjust the tension, make sure that the threads are hidden in the mouth area and that they're sunk nice and deeply. And there's the magnet, there's the thumb sucking, and I've already got this little guy's hair done. He's just so cute. Have fun.